Hey guys, just wanted to do an update on the chicken house. We added a new chicken run to the chicken house, coop, whatever you want to call it. And so I'm walking towards the run. We added a new gate to the chicken run. So it is 50 feet by 20 feet long. There's a lot of room for the chickens to walk around and space to have. I opened the gate up and I'm showing you guys where the chickens are. They're under the shade right here of the table. Right now it's very hot. It's like noontime. Here is a baby turkey eating a apple scrap. And here's some baby chickens eating some food scraps as well. Right here we have some young trees planted. These trees are still young, but when they grow, these trees will get big and provide a lot of shade for these chickens. So they're just getting some shade under the shade structure right now. The mister is on and the chickens love it. Here I go. I'm gonna walk into the chicken house, show you guys what's going on in here. We have a mama chicken with her baby. And there's another mama chicken with her baby. And then there's another mama chicken with her baby. We have 3 mamas with the babies currently. All these hens are staying cool under the mister. This is typical day. Nothing's really happening. They're just hanging out until later on where they get buck wild and walk around. And I'm about to walk out and look at this rabbit taking a nap under the cool of the mister as well. She just loving it. Alrighty, thank you for watching.